What's going on? Gallagher here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can generate literally thousands of dollars monthly simply by creating videos where you only copy and paste the content together absolutely free, and you can create these massive channels. We're going to take a look at some examples of these channels and show you that they are literally generating tens of thousands of dollars a month doing this. So we're going to get into that right now. And real quick, because I always get asked this question, there are a lot of people that are interested in my personal methods that I use to grow multiple YouTube channels and that I use to generate automated income daily through YouTube just like this. And so for those of you that are interested in that, even if you're not a partner, all you have to do is click the link in the description to my video series where you can simply copy my exact methods, watch over my shoulder, and set this up for yourself. And if you come over here to where the course page is at and you scroll down a bit, you're going to see something really cool right here. This is my favorite section. This is the review section, and these are where YouTubers that are enrolled in this course are actually sharing their results they're getting right here. And so again, that link is in the description if you're interested. Now for the method I want to share with you today, there are a lot of YouTubers, or a lot of wannabe YouTubers that don't really want to be in front of the camera. They don't want to do any of these crazy edits. They don't want to put in that type of effort, or again, they just don't feel comfortable filming themselves. Well, this method is for you, the method I'm about to share with you. So first, let's just go ahead and look at what I'm talking about. If we go to YouTube and we type in the search field something like Reddit stories, you're going to see a bunch of videos and a bunch of channels just like this. And all these videos are simply Reddit stories made into videos. Now, if you're not familiar with Reddit, it's just a multimedia platform where people share videos and articles and stories, and we're going to get into more of that in a second if you're not familiar with Reddit. But basically, these videos are a compilation of just written text, written stories that are posted on Reddit. So let's go ahead and take a look in so you can get an idea what I'm talking about.
Students of Reddit, what's the story of the worst teacher you've ever had? A teacher once told me that sand was a liquid.
Alright, so that's it. That is the video. They have this robot voice animation over top of just the Reddit articles or the Reddit text that's on their site. And again, if we go back here, you can see there are tons of channels where we have here Storytime with Reddit, Reddit Avengers. Let's scroll down and see if we can find some more. Humor Studies, Reddit Tales. And you can see here 27,000 subscribers on this one. 8,000, 61,000, 207,000 for Storytime with Reddit. And you can see with this one video they posted a week ago, 151,000 views. This other channel, Reddit Adventures, 8,000 subscribers. They posted a video 7 hours ago, already 10,000 views. Now, how much are these channels making? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. If we go over to Social Blade and we look at Storytime with Reddit, this is one of the channels we were just looking at. You can see right here their estimated income, estimated monthly earnings, as much as $38,000 a month, which equates to almost $500,000 a year in estimated AdSense revenue. And then if we scroll down a bit, you can see their video views, their daily views, hundreds of thousands of views every day with these simple videos I'm going to show you how to create. So the first step is to simply go over to Reddit. And if you're not familiar, again, Reddit is just a platform where you can come over here and share articles and share videos and partake in different discussions. And so what we're going to do here, without even being logged in, we're just going to go up to the search bar here and we're going to type in something like confessions. And of course, you can approach this in many different ways. We're just going to go with confessions. You can see right here, there's 2 million members in this confessions discussion. So if we click on this, there are going to be all these Reddit members that are sharing their confessions, and people really like these type of stories. You can filter this from hot, you can filter it by new, by top, and then we can expand the search. So this is just for today, but we can do this month. And so for this month, the top confession was this one right here. And it's basically, as a child, I copied a poem from a book and won first place in a poetry contest. So if I click on this, here is the entire confession. And now on my computer, I can just type print screen. And there's plenty of screen capture, free screen capture software out there that you can just simply install on your computer. You can do screen capture on your phone for free, obviously. And I'm just going to go ahead and I could capture, a paragraph of this at a time, and I could just save it and then do this entire story, and then do multiple stories, and use these clips to create the video just like I showed you here in a second. Now for the voice, I could either read over it myself, or I could use a simple computer voice that reads it, and I'll show you that right now. So if I copy this first paragraph, and we're gonna copy that, and I'm going to go to a free website called TTS Reader. I'm going to go ahead and paste that information in there, that text. And once you're here, you can select male, female, different types of accents. I prefer this one, the male, English, UK male. You can speed it up, slow it down, do different types of effects with it. And then I'm just going to click play.
When I was in the 3rd grade, I was very into reading and writing and often stayed up far past my bedtime reading anything within my...
So then you can record this into an audio file, and then you're going to save that along with the screen captures we just took of the article or the story right here. So then we would have the audio file and then the images for our video. And if you wanted to add music, you can go to Google and you type in YouTube Audio Library. And if you click on the first link, you have all this free music. You can filter this by genre, so the mood of the music fits the mood of whatever your video is. And so then you have a music file, you have the audio file of the voice reading the story, you have the video clips, and then all you have to do is come over to a free download like OpenShot, and that's going to allow you to edit this all together in a single video file, and then you just upload it to YouTube. And again, as you see, there are lots of people doing this, and they are making lots of money doing this. So again, it's very easy, it's free. I just showed you all the steps you need, all the free resources you need to do this. If you're interested in more content like this, be sure to subscribe and set up your notifications so you don't miss any as I put these videos out regularly. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and with that said, I'm going to wrap this video up and I will see you in the next.